Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Yeah, recently we have started one new batch which is a DevOps with AWS, which is master program. So in this we have completed demos. Yeah, so introductions also. So tomorrow onwards we are going to start AWS. Okay, the people who are not attended so far, you can go through the recording sessions. We'll provide you recording sessions, and you can continue from tomorrow. So tomorrow we are going to start AWS. So AWS will go very deep dive, nearly 1 month to 35 days we are going to work on AWS. Nearly 42 services will be covered in AWS like EC2, storage, networking, auto scaling, load balancers, monitoring tools, databases, right? And also Elastic Beanstalk. These are all very core tools, advanced tools, right? So every tool will go deep dive. So nearly it takes 35 days to complete the AWS course. After that we'll jump into DevOps, okay? Yeah, tomorrow we are going to start AWS. The people who are not registered so far, who are not added into WhatsApp group, you can add into WhatsApp group today itself, because tomorrow onwards the link will be changed. Yeah, online guys, so link will be changed. Classroom guys also, you can make the fee and you can add into WhatsApp group. If you have any questions, if you want to talk to me, if you have any confusions, you can reach out to me. You can call me, WhatsApp me, so that we'll discuss. Fine. So tomorrow's session is very, very important. Don't miss the session tomorrow. Fine. Thank you all.